Bob the Builder has a cement factory which he owns. He wants to increase the cement production capacity whilst also being conscientious about his environmental footprint, and so he would like to offset the emissions from his operations. Since he started, his company has emitted 156 tons of CO2 equivalent, and Bob wants to purchase a negative emission credit, or NEC, that correlates directly with his emissions. Now, using Geagora, Bob can easily do this. On the site, Bob will first connect to his Ethereum wallet and validate that he is connected to the Ethereum blockchain. On this screen, we can see that that is indeed the case. Second, Bob will want to check his available token balance. On this screen, we can see that Bob has 12,000 ton tokens available. At Geagora, each ton token can purchase 1 ton of sequestered CO2. Therefore, Bob needs 156 tokens to satisfy his emission requirements. It looks like he has enough, and he can return to the main site and begin shopping for NECs. Since Bob needs to satisfy 156 CO2 emitted, he will first purchase Paul's soil sequestration. He does so by clicking the Purchase NEC button, confirming the transaction, and verifying that the blockchain has mined his transaction. After refreshing the page, Bob can click the button to verify that the NEC was indeed purchased by him. Here, we see that this NEC was purchased by the following Ethereum address. We can verify that this indeed corresponds to Bob's Ethereum address. Bob has now purchased an NEC of 100 CO2 tons. However, Bob needs to satisfy a 156 ton emission requirement and needs to purchase an additional 56 tons of CO2 sequestered. He does so by then clicking on Christos Oceanic Sequestration Purchase NEC button and following the same process. Great. Now Bob has satisfied his entire emission requirement by purchasing the following NECs.